So of course I got everything I needed for this DIY at Dollar Tree. You start by getting two, well I got four, so two of each color for my son and my daughter. So two of each bowls. I grabbed a few items to put inside that I feel like they would enjoy. I like doing the DIY thing because you can actually put stuff that you know your kids like and use instead of getting like the pre-made ones at like Walmart or Target where you pay $20 and it's like a water bottle, some chalk, and a piece of candy that they don't even eat. I would rather make it myself and put things that I know they actually like and will use and will eat inside of it. Next thing I do is for everything to fit and look nice and neat, I just start by cutting like the excess tags off because they're gonna rip it off anyway. So I just cut the excess paper off of all of the items. I was in Dollar Tree just picking up stuff. It's a dollar 50, dollar 25, however much. So I was just picking up a lot of stuff. So when I got home, I realized that those things wouldn't fit. So I'm gonna just, have it set up on the outside. But when you're in there shopping, just be mindful of what can fit inside the bowl. The cups almost didn't fit, but we had to make some stuff work. After adding your desired items to the bowl, you place the other bowl on top and just gonna paste like a little piece of tape on both sides just to secure it. Also, you're going to peel those tags off the top and bottom of the bowl. Well, both bottoms of the bowl. This part is kind of where I struggle trying to wrap it. So the wrapping didn't look the best, but in my mind it's like they're just going to rip it off anyway, but I don't know. Next time I'll try to find a different idea because trying to wrap these it was a tough time. After wrapping it with the cellophane, then I just took a piece of balloon string and secured it. But I also bought this ribbon or these bows from Dollar Tree. That's a little bit more fancy. The balloon string is just to hold it in place. This was a very easy and affordable DIY. Literally got everything I used in the video from Dollar Tree, from the items, the bowl, the tape, the scissors, the balloon string, everything at Dollar Tree. This is something that you can literally do the day before or the day of. You can make this for your kids just to show them a little love on Valentine's Day. Not only is it easy, quick, and affordable, but it's personalized because you're getting things that you know that your kids will like and use and eat. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing for more videos like this. I do everything creative, anything, I do it all. So like, comment, and subscribe.